Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can insert arrow in Word document. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Word and you simply need to select the font that is MS Gothic. You simply need to select that. Go on to the insert, click on symbols, click on more symbols. Here you need to select the arrow. So here it is. Let me select this. Select that and here you can see different arrows. And once you select it like this, okay, click on insert again, click on insert. So you can choose whatever arrow that you want. Okay, and to make it bigger, select those and you need to make them bigger like this. So this is a process how you can insert arrow in Word document. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.